back to my channel. And now you are watching a 4-star hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. You can see on the screen hotel location, reviews, and important attractions and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews online that are given by guests who enjoyed their stay. Its review rating is 9.4, which is the superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of the basic questions about this hotel. Category 3. Category 5. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Five categories of rooms are available and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this hotel, along with various meal plans and payment policies. If you are planning to book it, you can do so through the link provided in the description. Booking or more details, check description below. If you are facing any kind of problem in booking a room in this hotel, then you can tell us by commenting. We will help you. If you have